Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Chou. Welcome to today's TikTok training video. In today's training video, I'm gonna show you these top 5 tips that are gonna help you to quickly blow up your TikTok account and also help you to start making money with your TikTok account, even if you are a complete beginner. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chou, aka Freedom Warrior. On this channel, I'm going to share with you everything I do to build my 6-figure online business from scratch. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Now, let's go. Hey, what's up? What's up? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 tips, okay, for you to start making money using TikTok, even if you are just starting out, okay? So basically, I saw this post from my boy Frank Daniels, who is also one of the top affiliate marketers that I'm following. And I saw this post today, so I just want to share it with you guys. Okay, so this is Frank's post. I'm gonna go over it with you guys, and I am still in shock. I just realized that Frank is not only a professional affiliate marketer, but he is also a full-time rapper. This is dope. Okay, so make sure you check out his page. I mean his Facebook profile, and follow this guy. Okay, and he has a lot of great TikTok content. So I like his style a lot. Now let's take a look at his posts. So he shares 5 tips today. I mean all these 5 tips are gold. Okay, so make sure you make some notes and try to apply this in your TikTok content. So the first one is to focus on the hook, because the first 3 to 5 seconds is the most important thing that you need to focus on if you want to keep your viewer stay on your TikTok video. So think about this and create some kind of strong hook. Okay, you can talk about your story. Let me give you some example. If I'm making a TikTok video, I usually will talk about my journey. Okay, I will say how I went from having $35,000 in credit card debt to having a 6-figure online business within 6 months, something like that. Okay, or you can share top 5 tips to make your first $1,000 online. So this kind of hook will keep people interested in what you're gonna say. Okay, they're gonna stay longer on your TikTok video. So the first one, focus on the hook, is very important. Number 2 is keep it short. Okay, usually when you record TikTok video, it will be like 15 seconds, 60 seconds. Most of your TikTok videos should be recorded as 15 seconds video, but you are not gonna just publish the whole video like 15 seconds. Okay, so what you need to do is cut it down, make your final video as 8 seconds, 9 seconds, or even 10 seconds. Okay, I think the longest video I'm making, if I do 15 seconds video, when I publish it, I usually do like 7 seconds, 8 seconds. Okay, no more 10 seconds, because you want people to watch your video hopefully to the end. Okay, another trick for them to stay on your video longer is you can add in some transitions and also add in a lot of text. Okay, add in a lot of text. Some of the people's video I see, they just have very few text on their video, which I don't recommend. Okay, I like to add in a lot of different text block on the video footage. Basically, I want to make my video, which is it is impossible for people to read through everything I write on that video within 8 seconds. So they have to watch it again in order to read it, in order to figure out what I'm trying to say. Okay, so they have to watch my video again, and hopefully again. Okay, that will make TikTok algorithm thinks that your TikTok video is very intriguing, so people like to watch your content, and potentially it will push that video to more viewers. So that's another trick how you can increase your watch time, which is make your video short, 8, 9, 10 seconds the most, but also add in a lot of text, different text block on your video. So people have to watch it at least 2 times, 3 times in order to read through everything you say in that video. Number 3 is the call to action. Call to action is also very important. A lot of beginners, when they make their TikTok videos, they forget to make the call to action at the end of the video. So you need to remember you always need to do call to action at the end of your video. But in the meantime, you also want to encourage people to engage with your comment. So I do like to, at the end of my video, I do like to make a text block and saying, comment, let's go, or comment, mentor me, or comment, I want money, something like that. So you want to encourage people to engage with your content so they can drop the comments. When people drop comments, remember, always reply their comment. That's number one. Number two, when people comment on your video, you want to reach out to them through direct message. Okay, I always message people when they comment on my video, so you can reach out to them through direct message. And also, because we are in the making money online niche, okay, so when people comment on your video, they are interested in learning how to make money online. So I'm going to reach out to them and also just start a dialogue. Here is the critical part. And Frank says this very, very well. A lot of people don't do this, okay? Your main goal with TikTok should be get your audience off the TikTok, okay? Don't just focus on asking people to click on your link under your bio, which will only give you limited results. You need to use TikTok to build your email list, okay? If you don't have a YouTube channel, I suggest you start your YouTube channel today, because you can use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel. And if you don't have a Facebook group, then start learning how to run a Facebook group. Okay, just like what I'm doing here. So if you can have TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook group, okay, Facebook organic, this is what I call golden triangle. Okay, this is how I can make so many high ticket sales day in and day out. You need to set up these three things and use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel and grow your Facebook group. Why? Because on YouTube and also inside your Facebook group, your audience can engage with you or watch your content longer. When they watch your content longer, it naturally will make them know you, like you, and trust you easier than just watch your like 8 seconds, 10 seconds TikTok video. Okay. So you always want to find a way how to utilize TikTok's traffic to build your email list, to grow your YouTube channel, or send those traffic to your Facebook group so you can better nurture those leads. Okay. This is super important. If you want to make consistent high ticket sales, you need to remember this. Tip number 4, stitch and DUET viral content. Okay. And this one is another great tip. Sometimes we don't have idea, okay? We don't have idea what kind of TikTok I should make today. Don't forget, you always can create a DUET video with other people's viral content. To be honest, I can tell you, I see a couple of accounts which are super successful. All they do, okay, all they do is DUET videos, nothing else, okay? I forgot the name, okay? But I have seen the accounts that all their content is DUET video, but super successful. So utilize this function. You can create DUET video to fill up your TikTok content. Okay, remember on TikTok, quantity is more important than the quality. Of course, we always want to learn how to create better content, how to improve our content publishing skills, but don't let that slow you down. You need to publish a lot of content, ideally 5 or even 8 videos a day if you want to grow your TikTok account quickly. And sometimes it's just difficult for you to make so many videos a day. So please use this DUET function. You can create like 3-4 DUET videos in 30 minutes, within 30 minutes. Super easy, okay? So make sure you use this DUET feature really, really well. Number 5 is do the easy video first. You don't want to, overwhelm yourself, especially if you are just starting out. You can go to other creators' content, okay? Go after those videos which already got a lot of views and simply see what kind of hook they are using in that video. How long was the video length for that video? Is it 8 seconds, 10 seconds, or even 60 seconds? So you need to study other creators' videos that has gone viral. But don't overwhelm yourself. Pick a creator, find a content that you feel comfortable with, okay? So start with the easy content. Your goal is to consistently publish content every day. Okay, ideally 5 videos a day. Treat it like a practice. Okay, don't overwhelm yourself. Okay, because sometimes your video may not go viral. That's okay, it's a process. So the key is that you get familiar with publishing content on TikTok. Okay, you can always do a video and for the purpose of just want to get the content out. Okay, remember, quantity is more important than quality. And throughout the time, once you stay on TikTok longer enough, your content will naturally improve because you are constantly learning. So that's the top 5 tips. I saw this from Frank's posts inside the 3-day business breakthrough challenge group, which is gold. Okay, so I just want to share this with you guys. And the bonus tip from Frank is if you have reached your first 1,000 followers, then you can start making live videos. Okay, you can make live. So when you go live, TikTok, they want to reward you if you keep your audience on this app longer. So if you make more lives, the TikTok will push your live content to more audience. So use this live feature if you have got your first 1,000 followers. That will help you to blow up your TikTok account faster. So that's all the tips today. And I see a lot of people have been making money during this 10-day TikTok challenge. And this is the first day, okay? So I'm going to put the link in this post. If you haven't joined this TikTok challenge yet, you can click on the link and join the 3-day business breakthrough challenge with just $7. Then you can come into this private Facebook group. Then my mentor, Jonathan, is going to teach everybody what content you should publish, how many content you should publish. So basically, you can go through this 10-day TikTok challenge. Number one, try to blow up your TikTok account, create more leads and sales for your business. But also throughout this 10-day TikTok challenge, you also gonna be making 75% commission of everything you sell under Jonathan's program. Okay, usually it's just 50%, but for the next 10 days, including today, please go hard because you're gonna make that 75% commission. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.